Abusiamu akwaba ediba at Sija show so e was too much GH the brass Farouk yet smashing his kunya and some ya etwegu e wo man Ghana mu ene na eba bidi ho komo na busia se wo pie mu e wo social media so ene traditional media na Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia wono ene flag bearer edima NPP amanyoko no na saa do de waye ni obi enye bida ya na Ghana force so se Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia wontimi nye ene se aspirants are one wo mu ejina ye nyina no chi wo mu nyina so akwa kosi honorable Ken Akompreko Japan so a ene ababeto bonse so se sika bi krampo akomu a ye kire se honorable demand sika bi e de free Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ho ansa ene ababonten ababe campaign e de amano sen ena ensem no esite no kwaben ene wo sa ensem ni nyina e yade a ye behwe afei sa bre de minority for no so wo mu e kire se freedom of speech no e yade aban ba yi wo ka wo mu anu atum Wokan Ghana for and what when you walk a saying na Yababecho, ama Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia so Ababonte Abekasa Edia Ghana man in John Dramani Mahama said the airport ya police for air chairman for one shot on for the 94 yes democracy no and na water to us who said medi a yamenu na and na air to message a bronco money person no comment no ebefa asewa by beji break na yakin kind Eddie amount coming home near ma Alhaji Farouk Akaba na for franco mono and shishes Alhaji Mwakwaba.
Alaba, ye
Bibi aboko.
Emi wonfu.
Medase.
Ye boko de.
MPP mo so te say.
Adumuni mpaibo. Egu so share ni aba. Se onima hwe egu no hye ni ya odidwa. Odi ntro so ko dwa. Nguase na to wade. Nti ye MPP for ye mpese ni nguase beto ya de bia no kura ko jin ene e ka kire Ghana for.
Okay.
Ye nim se eni omo ndi ni ye within last 10 no last 2024 no mo na ne mama e star bi. Ne mo be ye de ni se ni no mo ndi ni ba ne mo be ye de mai I buru ya ho den so e na mo tire se o mo sisa mo sa no e de ni di magana for ma e ni elections aye ko how hot it was ba ni na ye wie no se kandini no Dr. Alhaji Mahamudu Bawumia medina ma ye wie mra yi o ti ase se o me hwe mi data na me hwe mi calculation na be edu no me twa na dia ka na be ka ho krampo anya dia me din ko nti ma me consider defeat na Ghana enjo ti e chose Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ya asundwe hene you be a mining tanko opre no so 72 hours na ye cause oye nesi ni ekuni pa ntokwasi a amai no be so amai musu no kodi nti ye chere so ye pasundwe ahonto party anu ani MPP
sabe ya wo chese mo hwehye mo niema na masan ya bai Doctor Nana Monso a wotu a wode akọ aspirant ne nyina ho ne makokasa no eno ka ne ma na mo hwehye ne hu bi
no me ka jo say so we hu we so we feel krom aban a wo bu enu ma so we dwa so can say so it tells you say Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia ni mpanyimfo wasom asisi omo na so a nyame ankasa eyi no obesi party nanim say ende obedi party nanim ka ye nim be Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia free enye akufo do discover Bawumia eye kufo mu mechire obebi as the Deputy Bank of Ghana governor ni adie odidi mwana politics be chi no kwanso be deputize the friend 2012 ye hu court a ko gina ye hu na oti you and I were not there ni adie ni nyina ye ti bofu bebre e wo court a ko gina ma party no e chiro sa branch na adwene no mabobio o gina court 8 months and they won say NDC for aka say the crown no dey empom only just some few 5 minutes e declare fire because the court gina no mugu man no it tells you say omunyo madin so be dimra so ba omdo bumra no so no mu gu so no di dimra but up to now when give up our time and do chia 8 years 4 years 8 years in opposition 8 years in power no do me ba power 2016 2024 the coalition 2023 now be di party na nim 2024 near kwa because of nyama bi kakra bi Ghana force and continue na me adu bi akọ boko no up to now ye nim say opposition a politics.
Okay.
As a football match, it's about draw, win or lose.
Okay.
It is a walk on where one lose, no about draw, fanisa, lose, so fanisa, you go and come back. Or the pity in your madam. Your co primacy, you're genuinely every year. Then you can perform call if you command congratulations, not the idea. So, only opinion to tower now in the minimum now, she woman pain, war or near because election, I'm telling you, and you're the kid. Apart from what that general holding, Sikasu come so count. It is a real elections a week. Now we lose. So I don't think that anymore. So approaching for making amends or something. No, manipulating space.
Okay.
Georgia now in our way and also a nipa. I election 2023, 2024 so call elections, 2025 for call elections. we ni ono so ye bi na ho kakra be 3 weeks no ono so kwadwe na ho be 1 month 1 week bi kwadwe na ho me yo san ba no san kokko mpae na wa san ba ti oba no ho ze no isi ade na me aduma ni mpara ko mate bia no by this time there akoma na ba form ti akọ ni mpanyimfo na so ọkọ na je Japan o ni ko kasa e hu se ko be Japan 2024 no kan campaign team oni na nam sa bia fine but to me the obi apetumi it's your contest now we respect obi a be contest no na say you do chumbe di ministry or di ministry appointment deputy and the main 2 times for president and then to be na capacity no so obi a be contest e bia no ọkọ na je Japan ọkọ edu chum ho ọkọ be me champion ho ọkọ so be contest e bia ọkọ ho by nim say party no ye hwe hawa ka ne Japan ye be ka uta godu a no we in America ka ne Japan so ehuro ni awo there is no way because be in si nchen wo party ni mu nti bibia ni a finally e ko pen ho ni mo kasai ma omo so ko kasai nti ase apam ko so di nkomo ni ade and the Ken we know and he has given him the reception definitely he will give him a listening ear sir be I say omutie mo ase bia no mbeche mo ase and now because of camera discussion nti okon close doors I think kono ko no bia charge bia ni nichi and say no ba go pen ni bodyguard no ni ko and I normally know say a company for a bodyguard you to be na wo twen penny for dem nkomo we offer penny no de ko so it tells you say a closed doors discussion no ko here so I don't think obi beti bi do ekire and because so ga say so make us to say now come say
na come be ba ho is wo kire say closed doors there now so abeto media no so say abom ko hu honorable no woni omko negotiation bi say the campaign no ye no oboka 1.2 billion Ghana cedis it is obeba bonti abe support Dr. Muhammad Bawumia dia you say otua 60% e wo sikanim e de man eno no it is saying
obapa na me bajo ha ne kai wona ifana media ben kai
okay we source radio and same we if we can tell a hold the better months can we tell us so the ya na de obeka bia ya na ne nansi bibi so na worker
mame ye pobieti na asem dia asem akimite la ye no mu bi ye mfa na asem mu asem
oh
so ye ni bi free ye ni meet no mo ko ye mo go na brochiri omo ye ni Ghana haya it is a very can tell media message na we information no wana ho no kunya free ni wo nim ken na ye ni nam excuse me to say ken na no dey that form sir was no na all the call elections so Ken will not go and say no Ken the MPP say yeah at times or the yaw no the canning send there be more mountain say they won't say hey now they be hold your yaw obi hold me cry the emotions mo obi hold to me with the emotions mo be no mo be oku so then no then ya see the first of offensive and be bisa so Ken Japan you be ya MPP dey na come so nti enya dey as about me no go say oh after elections the new election who no win here definitely me to me ntwe ho you need me I need you nti enya ya te yan wan say and moreover the good thing is enya good general secretary Justin Frimpong Kodua obi na see from ya amendment bia was say your constitution mu a eni bia no concerning even the first proxy voting since 92 we've been doing this process can Japan say on then we na yi free ho dia JFK Justin Frimpong Kodua be bia ma party ni mu ada yi bia no oye ma party ni mu be seri ni mu be to come obi ani giye nti na ewie election mame election na yewe mu ada ho yi obi ambowa e wo tie ni elections ya Justin Frimpong Kodua e hihye ma MPP mpanyimfo mo come primaries so it tells you say eguphobia eni ekire ese obi ko gina ni so de ye bibi
okay
nti elections can Japan you be or the politics as or MPP enya dia obetwe ne ho efi MPP mo nti dia otini de betumi aka kire wa kudum say ehuru rather sem
but who campaign no to mo primaries am koye ya Dr. Nedi Munkunimi ebeto mountain so say honorable 2024 campaign oye ma doctor no oji sika ansa na okwakoye campaign today na say we no ni abeto mountain so na nya no kwe
when they say political talks dey be ho and I said, 7 years of betting of bear, some of the end of the could you bear to chill one some out toward the action party because I don't think Japan will still very low, saying because this guy will be if Obia knew what excuse me say, him 14 years, a bit of the okay. This election, we not be able to say, oh, Bocano winning because of where we need to need a council. Who say, wow, man, be the team make us fine. we know say in national elections e ko ikura no party a oti amendwa so no edu elections a party nkeke wo ni na omo musika e bi mo campaign so say about say campaign we no wan be kaka say omnia jifati wo kaso a I don't think I will reject anybody yes but me gidi say we say or charge sika and san wa boa party no one charge sika anje but only no kwan so no be dia mechi nti dia wo ka say no go charge say na million and trauma me nya no kura bi ani
enra na the base for Simonton so omo launch officially omo ko bi omo dan ano enra ko ya na beto Monton so say doctor so any aspirants ni nyina kasa ama ono aboken so kwa wasan akọ no na kwa kasa enye mo sheda some de ba be kanta the base nana
wa pa ma nchire wa dey cause the base and I mean wetin un kakra chire o eya me person me mo platform I don't see the base say yeah the Kobe emu odru nti e say mo platform na JB yes e mo me chire o
ya no mo hu ye mo ye ma
me see ma mo first time your friend is saying Alan koye ni Kumasi tour no say koye Kumasi work okay I'm telling you ono asanti ni pio okoye Kumasi work ya so go do tamale okoye the last work tamale na kan ba 10 pe odichi so it tells you say party na no ni NDC na MPP no third force we be bia with me din kuni when they kaso and go kaso be say vote kwa na it depends on the party ya ti kromo ha na NDC na kunu do see what no no kwati fonka oti fonka kwati on the party go see say NDP you go see say and for the party office ni si wada ni boso so it tells you say party better no one party na heading amano akoya two party state we di we until who dey himself what numbers now for be join MPP because said now party e we akono ani MPP
oh sir
party gonna for the na train say 2020 I say what always say anything na me catch now say the catch gonna for say to me you first only punch
okay
to me time John Dramani Mahama Gina CMPS who can some okay here Ghana for the say Ghana for be no form now come through Accra no can Accra win elections no more win elections because nothings were escalating so they were the thoughts when device abedi president wakwa no be person the same argument the difference is Mahama ko wan kusua suni ban na odi call from a friend is saying Airbus as vice president odi dum so ko ofie no up to now dum so afford for Mahama ho any brand Mahama brand ni dum so
no was say a machines no wo mu see ya so abe ko energy minister say transformer de o mu di biaba ya wo di ba bi see
dia here ni say light is so say na na don ko kufa do ma ye light 7 years and light mu na ni pre no and na change say light so won't be my excuses bia with the quantum of money sika and this for jury free Ghana for no come to me my excuse bia or light 28 to 30% increment electricity tariff that you say fu nya light no dum so levy e share one side one cd 1 liter e share when you dey support energy but so light you to ya na free asa
okay
nti e try say John Dramani Mahama ni dum so dey emu enter for enya dey dum so me free John Dramani Mahama because oba sika die ni say ka ye ba ye na say out in some plus na dem ka amuka sembe nti it tells you say the only thing we need is the best media omunya botre ye hia base bi afa nyeshi e hia dom dia kan MPP on etimi astrike 2028 ni agigana for fin kwasoma ye ko emu ni awaso ne daye e na otiase
e fibra moto abai ma Dr. D Munkunim a besi sabre ya afeina the base ye pumpom ba muhu ye motiye mo ye hwe han ma enne bebia adu afeina Dr. Etu na mo akọ no abowo enye too late fama mo ye
Pacho, too late, there is nothing like too late. It's better late than never.
Okay.
Baumia has taken a very giant, the respectful step. Akoni bra penny ho.
And chair.
And chair. And then because elections, we will call election quieting. Tinipani really no yaw no woman. Want to mean country is no possible. Man, no so at least you should come over the pain. And some corner walk on. The same way you put one big na educate to kwa buchi, akọ resting ade you want to almost financiers in Ghana. So they have to travel outside no so it tells you say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia need respect a man no woman you can't nobody can account for it.
Okay.
Man will kasema obi obuakwala obupeni or obrase and onye pretender. Onye pretender. So Ben won't tell you he is who he is. But we never pretends. So what company for now so no more. And only in the base in the Jaya Bushia for. Now a before would be ebuphobia by after elections, no campaign. After election, now pay piano, na yamau, now we lose. Come and join the team, let's move ahead. The main enemy, the main rival is NDC, not MPP. So after election, we have to come together. And I know, can it upon an eliminate you, no MPP so be Obi on put me for $4 million, $40 million or so. Every campaign saying, campaign, a friend say, program, a friend saying, we have to dedicate elections. Or somewhere you can or somewhere maybe some years ago. Okay. It tells you that man have a good heart. Or Wakumapa has a good heart for the party. There is no way somebody can manipulate him. Now Jacko Moon and David say, no more than any man own. Okay. Penny back could be Dino, the Joe fans. Penny back could be you penny about Dino. But we know. So they are close to the base, NDCs are behind it. Oh, sir. Let me tell you. We say NDC for an Eshoguchi. Now, say you have plan B because it's a Mugunya Konobi. 16 months. Mrs. John the man, Mamma, for the Nancy. Not 2 years, we do not son of money. I'm telling you, no son of money. So, this year, no party, and we are on MPP.
2024 elections. Near Mulusivi, not in some way, that man more can say. And someone honorable can accompany Japan, Candy Good, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, and one NDC for fire, one more year campaign, Doctor, and Manilusu election. Mobile primaries, Dr. Diakorini, and some day, a because ye Palma, to the extent that it's me crowded, said you was no one room, a compare candidates, or could not say Cotton Swabani. Ain't Sabri and someone more candy good, honorable can accompany Japan. So during the campaign, I'm a primaries. Also say, send your cassa a yaw, Sa yaw, or Bessan a German was Sayaba. Now, what Banamanusu Siminas who Mukulusua, more sign fan tag and say, or no name some more kind on any yaw here and must lose election.
Mammy, election I call you, my what the DBI.
Oh, sir, what TV?
Oh, not this time, like I said, Kenny Japan has been very gentle to these elections. Man, know this name the previous elections. But
who said boys, make us a boys, one more a doctor, so Casamo Manutia, and I can compare.
All the times, in politics, you have those talkatives who are say you home. Say it's your man, some. Then will be a TMB physical. I know Marcus say what they are doing. We need people on board. It's you best and the parties are there now. Nobody can sack Kenny Japan from MPP, and he's not even ready to leave MPP.
So you be my case doctor we need problem pamune fi party
and I make catch say gimmicks talking kasa from yes until you better check so when who has that gas so we promote the MPP nobody and he himself is not ready to leave MPP now say na kuma die MPP so no and then you kanka we tire no opinion so there say obi matemati what if you want TV you throw you we ni the life goes on we hear politics now ni akuma kese we ni of facha kokon forget it. Then you can't get to your political destination. Okay. Because there's the same thing. Alan, yeah. When to me and baby, yeah. And got the pre na Alan Marini. Okay. Alan Marini and this one I pay money on. So are you telling me say can you put to the lose and this one pay money there? The microphone I'm doing it, China, I'm going to discuss the base. I'm going to discuss when this for nature. I will know. I'm going to t-shirt as well this for me because of new and to and on from Kobara. We know them. We know the NDCs and what they are doing. The base is not going to be in the base. I don't know a point here MPP.
Oh, okay. It's moves to cry.
Oh, yeah, dear, no shaking. Mr. Alan called the same NDC for the Kodin. Finally, also could be NDC for more. The catcher of someone with the children finally no more NDC from Kodi the base. The basis of the programs are one day you see NDC for so one more from the base. You won't be dancing anymore.
Okay. Sabre of flag bearer, Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia. Wabeka Sase, Abino, I say, walk our man for Casabua, Eddie Asher, Womoyem, ye can say freedom of speech, you know, would see it so. But Ghana also say, you will say freedom of speech, but near say as a Mabunu at the social media, no air, no, and Fakwe, which is a doctor, Ebe can say ya, or Beshe Mabunu Mokutupa, I'm a Mako sweating pen for them,
Mammy. The year na ya enja for you. And a choir they be our faso. Now we are from so now uji mfum so tuma boa but one ji mfum so antum na o si de ofa ne kwantene ne obusu be faso npa be faso ne be hawo John Dramani Mahama ye okromu ha
okay
you TikTokers you bloggers you communicators physical insult assault where the Benjamin use during his elections so by then where was he can't be a prominent man in this country he was part of me kasafa bloggers on ya who are so for the open campaign to parties in the attempt the opponent attempt some the opponent attempt and there are they still insulting because we have design
okay
what were you fighting for the pastors the clergies the malams the imams what were they fighting for were they fighting for their army or for the country you know man can come here nobody is fighting for his stomach who open be open here for him to be penny papa do so for be no so the party be echi no bo party be echi e say won so no oje de mudie e wo tire e ka busu so na account no edu nti e be kasa ma party bi but say won obi a neutral we ye oka so oka with emotion won say no oka e free na kuma mu e free nu they pretenders we know those who insult those who attack Bawumia Binda Bawumia is a gentleman, nice gentleman. Okay. We hear go no about unchen. Okay. Bawumia we hear no about unchen. Until I tell you say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia and Kennedy Japan they will work together 2028. Inshallah 2029 Bawumia will be the president of this very country. And I'm telling you about the constitution article 21 clause 1 A it speaks about freedom of speech. Okay. Say it no before be so. Freedom of speech, freedom of movement. So even more journalists for the okay. More minor course of more green and music green, more red and until and microphone the Brunei and this for.
No, sir.
Yes, among Kasama party, among more minor as press, as journalists that we knew them. We know them, we have them. Among Kasama party. There are even hosts like you or TV stations in your power or Mukasa who say attack. And yes, I will be a question who attack you. Okay. I'm a NDC opponent at you. And you come studio be a night Azuma Nelson. So, two town no boxing. And I only be Brisa. Time Azuma Nelson boxing. Okay. What do you not be on the con? Oba, no to quiet until no win fight no. Or the wool of no, I can't no boxing no. Because on June. Nti do ka box no o make sure say obabono na what ya say so abono yes nti onko kuna unko kenkan ma no nti oba no na adwene say we referee no ni no no kunu nyina onje obi andi okay sana de na koye nti me ko studio a we host na oti ho no me do ka NBC ni no okay na we ni mu nyina bo last week program bi na see PPP ni bi na NBC ni bi na host no so I say na NBC callers kakra woni mu na start ye no mismasa me ni studio a me say sibo my name data, my name facts, my name research, my name survey, I'm not better now. Until the mechanic, the hotel of Monteno, or Cogogola, they say the Bamanti K, and the young children are old. Until the people, with not kind, this is not the host who's a kind this. So we are attacking now. Me, Joe, we are change that. Okay. So it tells you, sir, if you want to be a Ghanaian, be a citizen, don't be a spectator. Or mind about you. So, you know, apart from we being said, the people, doesn't mean. So MPP ya de nya yenka ye beka okay intene mi bisa se ne baba mando wo ye ya ye kokkochi ne ya esabre de amane be ono ne wo ye no eye mami so bi ya de ne emra ne ebruso ne emra ye chi na yenja no so ade ni ja say am pass wo de se bi obi do ade ewu a o right say mami ye ma be keke okay ye wo de ejina so de ma be okay into information then one o ya no one o attack no ye ka obi na tem o man mu a oyiba o mia onyo bia and this from kwala tum anu su ba mia so ni nyina ko sisen ba o mia nchi mpa ba ku fi sei nti ye kasa ye mo ye kasa ni le di bi o TikTok o se mo mo MPP for na no mo kasa na tema ye di MPP for ni mu di ye no kra o mo nye di bia nti Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia catch the John Dramani Mahama say freedom of speech in our constitution must work. Omunjai sa chachiche we can yes ni so TikTok we can now we no talk for na your friend say what anti no the TikTokers jollof then we fancy comedy mu ya di omoje ncheburu nyina poju omunya obi omuye wait be brisa okay jemo na us me say I'm telling you in this studio so John Dramani Mahama and his team should be ready for us the babies with the sharp teeth Stubborn Academy afi me eba ombe chi kan kra jemanya chi Chido Bechi Epa.
Senior workers also Dr. Muhammad Bawumia, Ghana food in at some medicine food in at some. It's none other will be and then should be a yana.
I mean, we have the constitution, freedom of speech. Doesn't mean you should attack somebody. If you, what's that? During the last elections, only Munkofa, Kennedy Japan, the we need information. A bit say the friend is what the name, this something if you go but no comport or Uniska or this one because of ordinatem. It's like the don't want to the report I win it. It is anybody the moon now for say, yeah, for no report.
My son of Monamia also said they be free.
I mean, the means of arrest is not court to some Rambo style of arrest, and then the right way to arrest. When a young crumb for a young medra, and you'll be our home, will be an invitation, invite the person, let him come in his person. Don't go and hunt for the person and arrest him like a crumb for no. You were freedom of speech and
okay.
Many people invite you know. That's where you go to arrest. You were here when they invited Jamal to me, all the way from Kumasi. He came the first day, he came the second day. Tell me, on Rambo stand on which he pick up would say, Anomabia, Nibu Ayran. So it tells you, say, the means of arrest, you know, too harsh. So the NDC should learn how to work with the law. From running a if you be at the name, you are inviting the Panumba, or money in your or money about before there, or mining about. I'm going to tell me, Katamini, and yet the money, Mahama, I'm the pay. So there is no way I will insult that very much. But so woman, no woman, we have the right to complain or say.
Okay.
So we, the MPP communicators, we are not attacking in Beliefon. We are saying the reality. What is on ground? What you, as a journalist, you are seeing. What the less privileged is seeing. What the friend is saying. Voting voter is seeing out there. That's what we are talking about. It's like the way things are going is air time. And so you don't walk around. Who find the teams out there? Bra streets. Bra streets near Yenema Council. Now who's in a Pamwashi? You to go as they be able to contain them.
Okay.
They want you to know first to mind because 24-hour economy. Who can ya a tour about Kumaso, a tour youth now come say 24-hour economy back. Let me pay the chat 133 in the year. Me call Pamia call ya Mustafa call. Sa now be at least at the end of the month to be 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 media. You do not 8 months, 92,000, say anybody.
Okay.
I'm telling you, near John Dramani Muhammad Iba Yabe the name Ra. Up to now, 24-hour economy is a very good thing. One to know buy so I want political self conquering. Self is a social intervention. Yadia but only political only business mouth.
Oh, Sam.
Yes. Only this business mouth. Make several times.
Oh, sir, when you be.
Mammy, you see, I must my interview when I was in the office.
Because the MPP needs
yes, into I say Cobra. Mammy, you see, I say Cobra. Let me judge the party card as a body. Me no one I know that the judge party card. I don't want to go 30, 20. Now we'll see who go to capital. Woman, I've got 20, I've got 30. So, my son, say MPP, we are ever ready, we are very ready. Say Ghana for mistake being a buy. A boy being a cheer, boy being but this time round, yes, she share any money as MPP. Yes, I'm Ghana for. We be now uncle here, more function at the Uncle Day, any young. Don't the money Muhammad throw the DNA attacks in Nano, Uncle Siaga, 24-hour economy, I told you, Women's Bank, I told you, even level 100 for so many Women's Bank, I told you. I'm no everybody Siano, and the Tia. Who will be sending one who saw about it, yeah.
So 4 years, level
100 4 years. I know what you want.
But what's your be?
I have a trip. I was not JD. They don't know if failing, but I know my mass of failure. So it tells you, say, NBC and in Trodia. Only therefore, you has come to stay. Till I'm about the bedroom some sow. Bedroom some sow, and entries with them, and drum with them. I don't have the with me, I'm not making complaining because Mahama need to so dear. We are there, Ebeba. So, Baby, I'm sure I am more by my MPP now. I don't NDC now. I say, you know, because I didn't come over or attacks near too much.
There be many this new Ghana for Canada beside the Ama woman.
That's it,
most mother or mine pay you. It's a name Momo said, Neddy, freedom of speech near theatre, so no sabres, a momu ya, dear, Obikaye, more 2 minutes of a manche. Shannon, some of Bronya Califa judge. One of the others said, someone will kind of fire judge and Yensen papa. And some will put judge in who thinks when you're frozen by some nanoa, but Chad said judge in the results in the Fabra, which mediaco.
Mammy, and the maker say, information war. They want a number of information that bachelor without a friend say, law and ethics. When in Madame Bachelor Marano Kakra, because information will be you attempt now to go. Who won't find so no come back, Marani, number of and you say, oh, you have what it takes to crucify that person. Father, come on, number in the because will be a then your political hunting and your political hunting, and you have the perfect right. But at times, you know, your politics, mommy, you have freedom of speech, the democracy, you see it, young training, your china, a bit to assassin. And what we've got into since 92 under this Fourth Republic, no, we don't expect. You may be saying a bit shiny parcel. They be that. Yet, he had a Chief Justice, his son, politically. The campaign say a baby some so you be attacking everybody.
Oh, sir.
Yes, the reason we were behind that wasn't that we were defending the Chief Justice, but we were protecting democracy. That's why you saw MPPs ranting everywhere, changing the Chief Justice. No, yeah, man, and the right mistake being from so being, but democracy, excuse me to say, and your logic. Because of like I say, we need to hear the best son. Yes, son. Generals, these are opening phobia, cast best son. The promotion in free. A lot of it's like up to now, OSP no your songs are you know. With time, first petition I call first one. Prosecutorial power. He's very strategic. I thought the way you excuse me, it's a bit away from. As of the Once the first, your friend is saying what the buyer no. Or I say, Munja, OSP, and Juma, Namunja is no, put a shot at it. So 4 years, maybe no OSP. Wow, the country from the woman.
Our one Casabeka says, majority leader crying, whip. A petition question, one has a better less, so be anywhere or say in fear.
And I make a choice, so I'm the aqua, so among for Diasiago, which I know. Said the Tabiano, the OSP, the office may be shutting down under NDC.
Oh, sir.
Yes. Okay. You see, I wait a woman, what day I did say, on day no, I can tell you, sir, OSP no workers, almost 240 something, and they ignore OSP. And one, the IT guys, the media, it's like, I'm unfortunate, I say, a lot of journalists, IT4, and there's an Mama.
Yes, more politicians in some one and more cripple OSP in won't mean and who yet you man send it because OSP by you who be what didn't ask some machas ya could read. The Mishra or Bapa Mishra so kind homa. OSP will be or no Kosi and Kosi, Koda and Koda. And then another or seen another in a man or Yankonam now be a fino, then. But Yama who has said OSP. And not don't go for the mouth, say office in Yajuma. Until about the same, I want to near Yajuma. When you are clear cut, let me tell you, clear cut, which you started during our tenure, went to near the NDC, time still we couldn't win that case. See that the package negotiation. It tells you, say, oh, it's feeling Yajuma. Because the politicians, the Kawash, I won't come out and say, MPP free so, Anka use to set the power as a scapegoat, some pass a factor. But because of only facts, I only be away. Now the one who see a
she and found. So it tells Mammy, Mahama, you be a cow Ghana, or you be a cup of what they were probably, or you 1,000 Ghana. I got 2 million today, but Cocoa Farmer say, and that's a poor, 1,000 Ghana. Until no one said, Mahama, what day a car.
I will say, and a grandma crime made it in is a way at sea Jania Cosso, our Amano Semu or my Ghana on no, and you sing Kunyana yet the pro. Best as we subscribe to say, I know I like Yashe, I'm a football so in the Yashe, Mene, I'll have the Farouk and a bomb from Medine at the dark coat, Macra.